For this dish, you can use any meat of your choice, but I'm using lamb. I think this is lamb shoulders. I bought 3. I don't know the weight, but you can use any meat. So the materials is the ingredient is listed. There is garlic. There is 1 teaspoon of sea salt, thyme, 2 bay leaves, and unsalted butter. You should use unsalted butter for this. It gives a natural flavor to the meat. So also remember, once you load this in the oven, for the cloves you have to press them into the meat. You press them into the meat after dropping the garlic. Then you move on to your black pepper. You put as much as you can, but for this recipe, in the total amount is 1 tablespoon. I used a total of 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and I used in total 2 liters of water. So to get the accurate measurement of the water, just buy the big bottle of water, or fill up a big bottle of water from the tap, and you get your accurate water measurement. So for these 2 liters, I'm going to put 1 liter from the beginning. I'm going to add 1 liter before loading it in the oven. The remaining 1 liter will be added every 15 minutes while the food is cooking in the oven. You open your oven, you bring out the food halfway, and you water from time to time every 15 minutes as the meat is cooking in the oven. So for the first 1 hour, you have 1 liter of water. So just leave it to cook in the oven. You already have 1 liter, so it's enough to cook the meat for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you have to keep watering it for the next 15 minutes so the meat can cook without drying out. So please take note of this part, and remember, leave it cook for 1 hour from the beginning, so you can set your timer for this. But after 1 hour in the oven, you have to bring it out every 15 minutes. So for 1 hour of your cooking, you are quiet. You can do other things for 1 hour. But once it's 1 hour, 15 minutes, you have to start watering. So go ahead and prepare yours. Subscribe to this channel if you love this video, and click on the notification bell. Bon appetit, and see you.